So Leia and I are going down to the beach right now. I'm gonna try to catch a fish and hopefully do a catch and cook. So we'll see how that goes. What do you want from me? What do you want? Just tell me. Just tell me one time. I'm gonna attempt the jacuzzi fishing challenge. That means catching a fish while I'm in the jacuzzi. Is it doable? Yes. Just wait. Woo! Luke's Reef! Let's go. Couple nuggets. It's kind of loud out here, but I'm gonna do a catch and cook. Hopefully. I have to catch something first, but that's what I'm working with. Pacific Ocean. I know there's fish in there, and I know I can cook, so I just gotta catch a fish. Catch a fish. We're doing a catch and cook. We're gonna get the reaction from Leia, Princess Leia, Luke Skywalker. Let's go. It's gonna be fun. Just gotta catch a fish, so I'm gonna go rig up and see how this goes. Damn it! I'm locked out. Catch and cook. You ready? So surf fishing and fishing from the jacuzzi was kind of a fail because the jacuzzi doesn't work. So I just decided I want to go catch a calico bass, a real fish. And so I got the chesty on. We're gonna see if I can't do a catch and cook and see Leia's reaction because it's gonna be amazing. Alright. Good luck. To me. Sorry. Come on. There it is. Come on. Come on. Come to daddy. Oh yeah. Woo, baby. Calico bass. It's a beauty. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Nice. Perfect size. Perfect eater. Oh, calico bass. Calico. Okay, so I just got out of the water. I caught a calico bass. I'm so excited because she's not so excited. I'm gonna do a little catch and cook video and see you up in Topanga. Okay, so we just got back to Topanga. I cleaned the fish. It's skinless, boneless, I hope. Might be a couple bones. And then I'm also cooking some asparagus. Okay, so I'm just gonna do salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil. Okay, so first I'm just gonna get the asparagus going. You can follow me. This is easy. Just a salt and pepper and olive oil. The key with cooking fish is high temperature for a short amount of time, but get your pan really hot. Alright. A little salt and pepper on these things. Asparagus. I mean, salt, pepper, olive oil, you can't go wrong. Let the asparagus speak for itself. Yeah, baby. Alright. So for the fish, just a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of butter, and we're live.
I started to peek in pie, dude. Sorry.
That's my brother Holden. He's a savage. Okay, so the fish, salt and pepper. Easy. Both sides. If you want to look up good recipe ideas, look up Gordon Ramsay. He's my hero. Little onion salt, just for a little extra. I was gonna add some garlic, but don't even need to. Actually, kind of need to. Just a little bit. Oh yeah. Alright, fish, you're gonna wanna watch this. Get over here. Yeah. We'll see how it looks in a couple minutes. Whoa, might want to turn the fan on, it's getting smoky in here. Alright. So, these are high heat. Asparagus cook really quick, just high heat so they get a nice little char on them. And then this fish, you can see the white coming through. I'm gonna go for the flip. A little premature. No biggie, smells good. That's all that really matters, right? This is gonna be done in a couple minutes and I'll show you it once it's plated up. Okay, so I just took the fish off. It cooks so quick. So do these asparagus. I'm just gonna put some. Look at that. Fresh fish. Maybe 2 hours old. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so dinner is served. Let's see how the Calico bass tastes. Here we go. How is it?
It's good. Great.
Great?
It's amazing.
You didn't have to tell me that. I already knew it was good. I'm trying some.
Hand grab.
Uh-huh.
Delicious.
Doesn't get much better. I mean, a couple hours old. Sorry, I'll stop. But Calico bass is a really good eating fish. I typically release Calico bass because they're slow to grow, so we let them go. But there's nothing wrong with keeping there's nothing wrong with keeping a nice 14-inch fish. Legal, good eater. Just try not to decimate the population and keeping the big breeders, you know. I always try to practice good conservation, and you can enjoy freshly caught fish. It's easy. I love it. That concludes my first catch and cook episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to do more. I can catch a whole variety of fish. I love yellowtail. I don't have a boat right now though, so I can't catch yellowtail, but that's definitely on the order because fresh yellowtail sashimi is the best. It's my favorite at least. So, see you next time. Peace.
Dollar signs, yeah, I know it's what they want. What they want, what they want, what they want. Y'all ain't fooling me at all. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I've been at this shit for 9 years. Now they
Pacific Coast Highway, baby. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. I'm a vlogger, boys. Let's go.